Please speak slowly.
Let's go out.
What time do you wake up? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Can I ask you a question? Can you send me an email? Do you need anything? I'm feeling a bit sick. What are you thinking about? I'm just relaxing. How was your weekend? I'm learning English. How was your weekend? Can we meet tomorrow? How much does this cost? That's interesting. I'll be right back. It's raining outside. What do you like to do? What's your favorite movie? Do you like music? Can I ask you a question? I play in the park. He went into his house. Please wake me up. Light the lamp. Make the breakfast. Will you please keep quiet? No mention.